Avocet loves to wade. B for barn owl. B. Barn owl loves to blink. C for cockatoo. C. Cockatoo loves to dance. D for drongo. D. Drongo loves to soar. E for emu. Emu loves to run. F for finch. F. Finch loves to sing. G for goldcrest. G. Goldcrest loves to hop. H for hummingbird. H. Hummingbird loves to hover. I for Eora. I. Eora loves to chirp softly. J for jackdaw. J. Jackdaw loves to hop. K for kiwi. K. Kiwi loves to wobble walk. L for lorikeet. L. Lorikeet loves to flutter. M for magpie. Magpie loves to shine. N for Nicator. N. Nicator loves to sing. O for Oriole. O. Oriole loves to sway. P for pelican. P. Pelican loves to flap. Q for quetzal. Q. Quetzal loves to glide. R for redstart. R. R. Redstart loves to flick its tail. S for seagull. Seagull loves to swoop. T for tern. T. Tern loves to glide. U for umbrella bird. U. Umbrella bird loves to puff. V for vireo. V. Vireo loves to hop. W for wagtail. Woo! Wagtail loves to wag its tail. X for xenops. X. Xenops loves to peck. Y for yellowthroat. Y. Yellowthroat loves to chirp. Z for Zenaida dove. Zenaida dove loves to coo. Like, comment, and subscribe.